Hello everybody, Matthias here. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix TikTok creator fund not showing up, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we are going to do first is to go into our TikTok app, and now when you're on your TikTok app, then what you need to do first is to go into your profile, and now when you're on your profile, then what we are going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and in here we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Perfect. As you can see, you're now taken to this page right here. What we are going to do in here is to just scroll down. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where we are going to click. So click on report a problem. It's just going to load here. Perfect. In here we need to click on the pen and paper symbol in the top right corner. So click there, and once again click on the pen and paper symbol in the top right corner. We are now going to be taken to this page right here. As you can see, report a problem, tell us your feedback. So we need to write something like this to TikTok. So I'm going to write like this: I am missing the creator fund. So I'm missing the creator fund on my TikTok account. So please help me to fix this. We can write something like this: I am missing the creator fund on my TikTok account, so please help me to fix this. And then when you're done like writing exactly like this, or it does not have to be exactly like this, but just explain to TikTok that you are missing the TikTok creator fund and you need TikTok to help them solve their this issue basically. So you need TikTok help to solve this issue. And now when you're done, just click on submit. And it's just going to take some seconds here. Perfect. As you can see, feedback submitted. Basically what's going to happen now is that it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you, and after TikTok has responded back to you, then hopefully the issue will be solved for you. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.